Let's go from this to this. This video is for someone who's going to work and who's going to college and they have zero knowledge about makeup. So this is everything that I use, and these are like extremely clean. You won't feel very heavy, you'll feel super natural. So I really wanted to show my go-to makeup which can be used by like every single girly, and I know that makeup can be tough sometimes, yet you want to look presentable. So I thought let's make this video because I think I kind of do very good go to go natural makeup. So this is something I use like every time I step out of the house. So let's quickly get started. So this is my bare face. If you see, I have put my moisturizer and the sunscreen. I've also applied like a little lip balm here. Now we're going to start with the a primer. So yes, I do apply a primer because there's pores everywhere and my skin is also combination. If you are like a dry skin and you want to skip a primer, you can. I get a lot of oiliness around my nose, so I kind of like it. Now I am going to use one by Nykaa. I really like it. It is the Prep Me Up face primer. It's extremely tiny, and this is I bought in like January and it's still there. Okay, so I use it like very, very occasionally. I think I'm using this for the fourth or the fifth time. So I'm going to take very, very little, like super little. I think is there, right? Okay, I'm going to take this much, just a little tiny bit. And I've got my mirror right here. So in case I'm looking down, yeah. So I'm just gonna apply it and it instantly blurs out the pores and I really like it. You can actually apply this all over your face, but I just try and keep it near my nose, and whatever is left, I'm just gonna like apply it. And I think that's done. This was like the number one step that I do. Now, next up, I don't like foundation, neither do I like tinted. I mean, if I have to choose between the two, I will probably go to the tinted version. But I recently got my hands on this one right here, which is by Verified. Now, this is their blur. This actually acts like a moisturizer. It blurs, it primes, and it also protects. So I like to put the primer that I put, and then I'm going to take this. Okay, a little bit. Again, I think, yeah, it's there. So this much right here. Okay, and I'm just going to apply this. And if you see, this doesn't come in any shade. This is the only one thing that they have, but it blends in so beautifully. If you see, it actually looks a little white, but as soon as you put it on your face, it just is gone. So just apply it. This is how I do. Never forget your neck because then the color is not going to match. Be super, super gentle when you're doing it. Now I could actually instantly feel that my skin looks a little better. Can you see that? It have actually given like another, because it has primer in it also, it's eventually like blurred out everything on your face. It has moisturized my face. It looks good to me. This is something that I use. I don't know, for some reason I really like this one. So yeah, I use this. Now I'm just quickly gonna go. You won't believe I'm gonna go to the compact powder. So this is by Verified again. And yes, it is not sponsored. I like to try a lot of stuff. When it comes to makeup, I keep it very minimal. I see which one would work for me. I just get my hands on it. I don't experiment too much with makeup because whatever I like Huda Beauty or MAC, it's super damn expensive. So I don't own any of these brands, to be very honest. So I stick with the minimal. So I'm going to use this. This is something it looks like. And this is actually a transparent powder, like a white one. As soon as you apply, it's just going to mattify your skin. Your skin is going to look so damn good. I really like it. I'm just going to show it to you right now. Just look at this side of my face and this side of my face. I'm going to apply it here and let's see. Can you see that white that thing has come, but it is just going to go away. You're just going to blend in. I'm just going to show it to you what it actually does. Now I really want you to see this side of the face and this side of the face. Can you see the oiliness here? But this one right here, it's just pulled out all the oil, and that is the reason I love it. It is actually said that it gives you a airbrush look, which kind of I agree to. but it's all about how you kind of blend it. So let's blend it all in. Don't forget your neck. Again, I apply like a little all over. Let's come here. You see the difference right now? And yeah, see, it instantly just popped. So if there is any one product, even if you're just applying your moisturizer, you can just close your eyes and just go with this one product. I so love it. This is like my third thing, okay? Like, and I so damn love it. I really like this one. So this is something it looks like now. Now let's move to, I think I'm just gonna stick to my eyes. Yeah, I am gonna do two important things that I love to do, which is my brows and my lashes. I'm not gonna apply any liner and thing because we don't have so much of time. So I mean, when you have to rush for college or for work, we don't have enough time, right? So we tend to be like very fast in whatever you get. I can actually do this makeup in less than 5 minutes when I'm doing it on my own. So yeah, let's do the brow. I'm just gonna like brush it. Okay. And I really like this step. It's so damn satisfying. I really like it. So I'm just gonna apply. I like to go all out. For some reason, I really love the way my brow looks. I like to fill it in. I just like everything about my brows for some reason. Okay, my mirror is down. That's the reason I'm looking down. But yeah. Okay, can you see the thing? I just filled it in, but I'm not making it look super unnatural. It looks natural to me. So this is something it looks like. And I'm happy. I'm like, so damn happy now. The most important bit that I forgot to do was doing the blush. I should have put the blush first and then the compact powder, and I thought I got a little excited and I just jumped into the powder thing. But that's fine. We'll do it again. I'm going to use mascara, by the way. And yeah, this eyebrow was from the brand Maybelline, and this is something it looks like. It's very fab. It's also very, very affordable. I think this is for about 300 rupees, I believe. This is like the brush that you get, and then you get the product right here. And there is no spillage or sharpener kind of issue. This is super travel friendly because ये से घूम जाता है, so it is very easy for you to get out the products and there is no wastage. But you have to be very careful because it is super thin. Don't get a lot of product out or else it will just break and waste हो जाएगा product. Now I'm just gonna use my hands. Usually I use like a curler to curl my eyebrows, lashes. But I'm just gonna brush it. I don't know why. I kind of like this weird thing that I do. It just opens up everything. So I'm just gonna look down and do it right now because नहीं तो मुझे सब smudge हो जाएगा. So this is again by Maybelline, the mascara that I'm using. This is their Lash Sensational Sky Mascara. I really like the wand. It's so damn flexible. Can you see? Sorry. It's so damn good. So I'm just gonna apply it. I'm just gonna apply it on my upper lashes and then I'm just gonna apply it down. You see that? Does it look good? It does, right? Okay. Very little, not going overboard because we want to keep it supernatural. So I'm doing that now. This is something that I love. I love like a tinted thing on my cheeks. This is something that I go all out with. But the thing is, I've applied the powder, which I shouldn't have. I should have applied this and then to set everything in, I should have. But let's do it and let's see what happens. So I'm just going to apply it here. Okay. You have to be very quick with this because this is extremely pigmented. I'm going to show it to you like it will be all over my hands. Just going to go above. Okay, I'm just going to tap it. I don't like to apply a lot on my cheeks. Whatever is like left, I'm just going to apply it here. And smile. This is like super natural. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but in real, it looks super good to me. I think let's put a little more. Blush is something that I love. And I'm happy that the powder is not falling apart. It is still there. Okay. I think now I've gone like overboard. So I'm just going to apply. Oh, can you see that? Can you see how it's subtly low? The pink blush that is there. Okay. I think I'm good. Don't want to go. Sorry, I don't want to go more. I think I'm happy with how this looks like. I'm just going to apply the remaining on my cheeks, a little on my eyes, on my nose, on here, and yeah, this is done. Okay, can you see how pigmented this is? Now this is not gonna go, and this is the thing that I really don't like. It's super pigmented. It's good for your cheek, but it's kind of weird. Okay, so I like it. Okay, so this is done. Now the last part is there are two things that I do. Okay, number one, I'm just going to use a lip liner, or else I'm just going to use the Wish Care ka lip balm. Now, this is like a tinted lip balm. If you see, I've already spoken a lot about this product, so I'm just going to apply. It instantly gives like a nice pink kind of look, and also this comes with an SPF, which means your lips are going to be protected. So I really like that. But in case you want to go a little when you're doing a little more when you're doing like a lip, you can actually use this. So this is a Swiss Beauty ka lip liner, and I'm just going to apply it. I'm just going to go all in, and once I do that, I have a thing. I kind of mix it with a nude color lipstick. Now this is the non-transfer proof water lipstick by Swiss Beauty again, and I am in this shade 416 Mauve Top. That is something the shade name is. I'm just going to take this. I'm just going to apply it on my lips like this. I don't know, for some reason, I think it sits well. It sits for a longer time. And I kind of like the blending of a nude color with a pink so that it looks good. I'm just going to come a little close and see how it looks. I'm also going to look at myself in the mirror. I think it looks cool. I like it. So you see that. Now probably as I've like put a little product, I'm just gonna take the verified just to set everything in. I'm just gonna take, I'm gonna kind of pat, and then I'm just gonna take the extras out. Okay, can you see there's so much that's come out? I'm just gonna apply it so that everything is in place. If there is sweatiness, it just goes away. I'm gonna take the excess that I had kept on my hands, and yeah, can you see that? And this is something I look like. I really like it. And then I just tie my hair in this bow when I'm all ready. If I just want to get my hair in front, I do that. If not, I'm just going to keep it behind. And yeah, this is my final look. There is no like, you don't have to go overboard to get all of these things. You don't have to put so much makeup on your face. Little steps will just make your life easier. This is something that I use. I really like it. So if you like it, let me know what kind of products you use. What are your go-to products? Is there something which is more lighter? Because I really like to go light. I don't like anything heavy. It kind of just makes me super nervous and cautious. So yeah, this is something it looks like. I really hope you like this video. And if you did, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.